It's a work of art, but practically unstealable. And I should know.
Is this on yet? Hello? Yeah. Okay, very good. All right for you? Yep. Anyway, well, don't get me started on it. I can tell you.
Shh. I'm cracking the security code.
3 times winner of the World Lockpicking Championship. I have the country's largest collection of skeleton keys. And I'm still getting nowhere.
I've stolen several Pablos, 6 Rembrandts, but I take one of these and they're at my door in no time. Anti-theft tracking.
Good Lord. The wheel's locked from the inside.
Okay, here goes nothing.
That's just a bicycle. Who really wants to steal? Well, I do. Yeah. Oh, well, fair play. VanMoof. VanMoof. You beat me.